Hello and welcome everyone once again to the live session on how you can master your fluency in English. I'm Moshe Banerjee, and today the topic that I'll discuss with all of you is a topic which most of us want to improve on, yet most of us are afraid to improve. What is that topic? If you can understand this one topic, believe me, you will never be struggling with formation of sentences. Yeah, you guessed it right. I'm talking about time, tense. So, what is tense? Technically, it's time that we are discussing today. So, today we will discuss about tense, not the entire part of tense. We will start step by step. Today, we will start with present tense and we'll narrow down on simple present tense. So, today we will focus on simple present tense. Let's understand what exactly it is. And if you have joined us for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, do like the video. We have the live session every day, Monday to Friday around 1 o'clock. Okay, so let's get started. Let me share the presentation with all of you. Give me a moment. I believe the screen is visible to all of you. So when we talk about tense, I'm sure you know there are three types of tense: past, present, and future. Past is we are discussing something about the past situation. Present, we are discussing about the present situation, and future, something that will happen or may happen in the future. So even in present tense, there are four parts. So simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So first we will discuss with simple present tense. Let's understand what exactly is simple present tense, how it works, what are the mistakes that we do while we make sentences in simple present tense. And at the end of the session, I'll give you some practice materials. We'll practice together. You will practice with me and you will see the change today itself. So block your time for the next 30 minutes. Let's get started. Now let's understand what exactly is simple present tense or present simple tense. Let's look at an example first. Now look at this example. I eat every day. This is an example of simple present tense. I eat every day. So technically, thumb rule, just remember this. Anything that you do regularly is considered as simple present tense. It doesn't have to be exactly now, but something that you do regularly is generally considered as simple present tense. Let me give you some examples. Okay. So what is simple present tense? It is used to describe habits. Understand this. Habit means something that we are habituated to. We do every day. That is a habit. Like you brush your teeth, you wake up at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. That is a habit. You have your dinner around 8 o'clock. That is a habit, right? So repeated action, again, almost like a habit, something that you are doing repeatedly. Then we consider it as simple present tense. General truth, something that we know that happens, like the sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. That's a general truth. And timetable. So we are talking about timetable. Let's say I catch the bus every day at 4 o'clock in the evening. That's a timetable. In these cases, we generally go with simple present tense, or we consider it as simple present tense. So very simple. Just keep this in mind. If I am describing a habit, something that you do every day, repeated action, general truth, or timetable, then we consider it as simple present tense. Okay, that's why simple present tense, something that you do every day. Okay, now here is the catch. Here is the interesting part where many people get it wrong. Especially if you are from non-English medium background, you may get this wrong. Understand this, what is written. Read the sentence very carefully at the end. Be very careful with this. The simple present is not used to express action happening now. Understand this. This is very important. Simple present doesn't mean what is happening now. I am training now. This is not simple present. This is not simple present. Even though the action is in present, this is still not simple present. Understand this. This is present continuous. I am training now. Excuse me. Majority of the people get confused in this. We think simple present and present continuous are same. Both are different. Simple present, what I do every day. I train every day at 1 o'clock. Simple present. I am training now. Now. Present continuous, not simple present. Keep this differentiation in mind. Don't get confused. This is a critical factor, people. Don't make a mistake here. Please, my request to all of you, do not make a mistake in this part. Simple present, something you do every day. Repeated action doesn't mean it is happening now. Okay. So let's look at it. Habits. What are habits? Something you do every day. I brush my teeth every day. I go to the gym at 7 o'clock or 7 a.m. I sleep at 10 p.m. So quickly make a sentence with a habit in simple present. Make one sentence. Quickly comment in the chat box below or the comment section. Make a sentence with simple present with a habit that you do every day. Not now. Not now. You do every day. Okay. So please do it quickly. Comment below with a sentence simple present tense. Okay. Habit. Try to find a habit that you do every day and put yourself into the picture. So I brush my teeth every day. I go to the office at 8 o'clock. I do this at this time. So this is simple present. So quickly make a sentence and comment below in the chat box. Do make sentences, then your memory will improve fast. Okay. So do make sentences quickly. Yeah. I wake up at 6 a.m. Yes, absolutely. Anand. Wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. I eat food. Okay. I go for a walk. Yeah. Yeah. She goes to school daily. Yes. Wonderful. 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 All right. So anything that you do every day is a simple present tense. It's a habit. Very simply, it's a habit. Okay. Repeated action, almost like a habit, an action you keep on doing every day. They go to Shimla every year in June. Now, see, this is a repeated action. So let's say they go to Shimla every year in June. So during June, they go to Shimla every year. It's a repeated action. So every year during winter, let's say June, they go to Shimla. It's a repeated action. We catch the bus in the afternoon. So it's a repeated action. Every afternoon, we catch the bus. She eats at the cafeteria every Saturday. She eats at the cafeteria every Saturday. So every Saturday, she eats at the cafeteria. Repeated action. An action that is repeated multiple times. Okay. So quickly make a sentence with a repeated action. That you do, let's say every week or every 2 days or 3 days you do it, or every day you do it. A repeated action. So quickly make a sentence with repeated action. Yeah. Wonderful. I do yoga daily. I go to school daily. Yes, absolutely. Does she clean the table every day? Wonderful. Now, when you make sentences, here is the interesting part, my friends. While you make sentences, try to experiment with different types of sentences. Let me explain this to you. When you make sentences, do try to experiment with different types of sentences. Okay. So sentence can be a positive sentence can be a negative sentence can be an interrogative sentence. So let's say right now I wrote that I go to the gym every day. This is a positive sentence. I go to the gym every day. Next time you can write a negative sentence also. I don't go to the gym every day. It's a negative sentence. Or you can put a interrogative or a question mark sentence like, do you go to the gym every day? So try to change the nature of sentences that you write. Otherwise, what will happen? You will only write one type of sentences, either positive or negative. So do change it. Sometimes write positive sentences, sometimes write negative sentences, and sometimes do write interrogative or question mark sentences. Okay. That will help your brain to absorb how English can be improved so easily. Absorb the pattern of English and you'll be able to improve very easily. Okay. So going back, general truths. So what exactly is general truth, my friends? Let's see. The earth revolves around the sun. Now, earth revolves around the sun. That's a general truth. We know this. This is like everybody knows earth revolves around the sun. It is a general truth. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. We all know this. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's a general truth. Okay. Or flowers don't grow in the winter. So in winter, flowers generally don't grow. It's a general truth. So make a sentence with a general truth and comment below. Make one sentence with general truth that you know that happens, that we know something that happens every day. The sun rises in the east. So that is a general truth. Okay. So make a sentence quickly with general truth. Yeah. Make a sentence with general truth. Try to think about some general truths that you know that happens every time or every day or something that you have seen. Okay.
Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. That's a general truth. Okay. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. That's a general truth. Earth revolves around the sun. General truth. We know this is obviously we know the sun rises in the east. General truth. So these are all examples of general truths. Try to think about a general truth. Yeah. I teach English to my students. Okay. Sun sets in the evening. Okay. I do exercise. All right. Earth moves around the sun. Yes, absolutely. Sun rises in the morning. Yes, general truth. The sun rises in the east. Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. Got it? So just keep this in mind. Now, if you notice any of these action, it is not happening now, but it happens every day or every week or every year, something that gets repeated. The next one, timetables. What are timetables? I'm talking about a specific time, something that we do in a specific time. The train leaves at 11 a.m. So we know every day at 11 a.m. the train leaves. That's a specific timetable. Every day at 11 a.m. the train leaves the station. So it's a timetable, simple present tense or present simple tense. The bus leaves in 10 minutes. So it's a timetable. The bus leaves in 10 minutes. Or the yoga class starts at 7 a.m. The yoga class starts at 7 a.m. So it's a timetable. So quickly make a sentence with timetable. Try to make a sentence. Try to make a negative sentence now. Okay. Or try to make a interrogative sentence or a question mark sentence. Try to change the nature of sentences, all of you. Then you will improve English much more fast. Okay. So make a sentence with a timetable. Try to go with a negative sentence, maybe. Yeah. Try to make a negative sentence or maybe an interrogative sentence. Yeah. Sun comes in the center, 12 o'clock afternoon. Yeah. So just make a negative sentence now. Try to make a sentence in and use a timetable. Put a timeline. Put a timeline. Okay. And then see how you are able to make that sentence. So do this. Yeah. No. Yeah, got it. I go to office daily, but try to make a negative sentence. What I'm saying, what is a negative sentence? Or an inter, yeah. What use of air condition? Absolutely. Is one question mark. Does the train arrive? Yes, that is nice. That is nice. Does the train arrive at 8 o'clock every day? That's an interrogative. Try to make a negative sentence or an interrogative sentence, a question mark sentence. Okay. Always try to change the pattern of sentences. This will help you to improve very fast. Okay. Let's move ahead now. Do you wake up at 6 a.m. every day? Now, see, that's an interrogative sentence. Do you wake up at 6 a.m. every day? It's an interrogative sentence. I don't get up at 7 o'clock in the morning every day. I don't get up. Negative sentence. I get up at 7 o'clock. Positive. I don't get up at 7 o'clock every day. Negative. Do you get up at, or do I get up at 7 o'clock every day? Interrogative. Okay. So understand the nature of sentences, all of you. A quick recap. So this was pretty easy. That's why we call it simple present tense. Very simple. As you saw, anything that happens repeatedly. That's generally considered as simple present tense. It does not to be confused with present continuous. Present continuous happening now. I am training now. You are listening now. This is not simple present. That is present continuous. Okay. So quick recap. What is simple present? It is used to describe habits. You can write this down. Repeated actions, general truths, and timetables. Okay. So if you have joined us just now, do like the video. If you have been with me till now, if you are learning something good and that helps you, do like the video. It encourages me to come with more sessions for all of you. And do share the video or the channel with your friends, colleagues, relatives, neighbors. They may want to improve their communication in English. It may help somebody. All right. So do like the video. Would highly appreciate that. Thank you so much, all of you. Yeah. So let's move ahead now quickly. Now, common mistake. Here, I want you to understand. This is where many people get it wrong. This is the critical factor here. Especially if your background is not from an English medium background, there is a high chance of you getting this wrong. There is a high chance. So understand this part. Third person singular number. What exactly it is? What is third person singular number? Let's understand. Now look at these. He is a third person. I, we, first person. You, second person. He, she, they, third person. He, she is singular number. One, he. Third person singular number. She. Third person, he, she, it. Third person singular number. Ramesh, Mohan, the boy, the girl. These are all examples of third person singular number. Okay. So remember, there are two things, person and number. Person means first person, second person, and third person. Who is first person? I, we. We are first. I, we, first person. You, second person. He, she, it, they, third person. Number is singular or plural. I is singular. We, plural. So same here also. Ramesh, Mohan, third person singular number. The boy, the girl, third person singular number. The teacher, the student, third person singular number. The tree, the car, third person singular number. So keep this in mind. This is where it can get confusing in English. This can be confusing. So just keep this in mind. Whenever there is a third person singular number, there is a slight change in the formation of the sentence. There is a slight change. Let's understand this. Now see this. She is a third person singular number. If I write or if I say she work in IT, it is wrong. For third person singular number, you have to use S or ES with the verb. So it becomes she works in IT. I work in IT, you work in IT, they work in IT. It is correct. But she work in IT is wrong. She is third person singular number. She works in IT. Remember this. This is an exception. You have to keep this in mind. Okay. My brother go to office daily. My brother, third person singular. I'm talking about my brother. If I say my brother go to office daily, it is wrong. Which is the correct one? My brother goes. So remember this, with third person singular number in simple present, the verb, with the verb we add S or ES. S or ES we add with the verb. So I cannot say my brother go to the office daily. I go to the office daily, correct. You go to the office daily, correct. They go to the office daily, correct. But the moment it is my brother, my sister, third person singular number, it will be S or ES. My brother goes to the office daily or every day. This is an exception. This is an exception. Don't get confused. Don't say my brother go to office. Then it is wrong. Okay. The teacher, third person singular number. Explain the lesson well is wrong. I explain the lesson well, correct. You explain the lesson well, correct. They explain the lesson well, correct. But the teacher, third person singular. If I say explain, then it is wrong. Then it will be explains, third person singular number. The teacher explains the lesson well. Okay. So see this. I drink coffee is correct. You drink coffee is correct. They drink coffee is correct. But the moment it is third person singular, he, she, it, they, Mohan, Raju, Ramesh, the teacher, the cat, the dog, the tree, all third person singular. We add S or ES with the verb. So he drinks coffee. She drinks coffee. Okay. But they drink coffee. I drink coffee. You drink coffee. He drinks coffee. Okay. So now I want you to make a sentence with third person singular number with any verb of your choice and comment below. Quickly. Make a sentence. Yeah, he goes to Nagpur. Absolutely. Wonderful, Mahesh. Wonderful. Yeah. So make a sentence with third person singular number and comment below. Remember, with the verb, it will change. Okay. This is the exception, all of you. Please understand this. This is an exception. I've made it very clear so that you understand it easily. Okay. So make a sentence with third person singular. He, she, it, the boy, the girl, any sentence, and comment below in the chat box. Quickly. This is an exception. Okay. So here I cannot say he drink coffee. Then it is wrong. Many of us don't realize it and we keep on making the same mistake. So please avoid it. Okay. Quickly make a sentence and comment below with a sentence with third person singular number. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely, Anand. Right. He watches TV. Wonderful, Geeta. Wonderful, wonderful. So this is the critical part. Don't get confused. Practice this as many times as required. Just make sure next time while you are speaking or writing, you don't make a mistake in this part. Third person, singular numbers, simple present, S or ES with the verb. Just keep this in mind. Okay. So let's practice quickly. Now, the first one for all of you. I dash
bracket play cricket every weekend. What will be the answer? Comment below quickly. I dash play bracket play. So what will be the answer? I will play, I play, I plays, I shall play. What is the correct answer? Comment below, all of you. I dash cricket. I dash cricket every weekend. Every weekend. So comment below. Yeah. Here is the answer. I play cricket every weekend. So play is the correct answer. Yes, absolutely. Yes. Hey, Jyoti, wonderful. Stella, wonderful. Wonderful. I play cricket every weekend. Okay. The next one. He dash play cricket every weekend. He. Now what will be the answer? I play cricket, but he, what will be the answer? Now comment below. Remember, this is which person, which number? Third person, singular number. He, she, it. So what will be the answer? Can I write he play cricket or something else? Comment below. Yeah, so comment below. Yeah, absolutely. Plays. Wonderful. He plays cricket. Third person, singular number. I play cricket, but he plays cricket. This is the tricky part in simple present. He plays cricket, which is absolutely correct. Right? All right. The next one. The shop dash at 10 a.m. The shop dash at 10 a.m. So comment below. What should be the correct answer? Quickly. And if you have joined us for the first time, do subscribe to the channel. Do like the video. We go live every day, Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. Okay, Indian Standard Time. So don't miss out. Watch joining our session every day, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. And do share the channel with your friends, colleagues, neighbors, relatives. They may want to improve their communication in English. It may help somebody. Okay. And if you have been with me till now, you are practicing, you are learning something, do like the video. It encourages me to come with more sessions for all of you. Do like the video. I simply love it. Yeah. The shop dash. Yes, Pratiksha, you're right. Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yes. The shop opens. The shop. Third person singular. Remember this. The shop. Third person singular number. Opens. All right. At 10 a.m. So there I cannot say open. Third person singular number exception. The next one. She dash breakfast in the office. What will be the answer here? This is slightly tricky. Try to think. She dash in bracket not oblique eat breakfast in the office. So what should be the answer? Think on this. What should be the answer? Quickly. See, she dash not oblique eat breakfast in the office. So what should be the answer? Quickly. Yes, wonderful, Jyoti. Wonderful. Good. Yeah. So let's look at the answer quickly. She does not eat breakfast in the office or doesn't eat breakfast in the office. Okay. So she doesn't eat breakfast in the office or she does not eat breakfast in the office. Okay. Next one. Dash you dash like traveling. Okay. So dash you dash bracket like bracket close traveling. What should be the correct answer? Quickly. Comment below. What should be the correct answer? Quickly. All right. Let's look at the answers now. Yeah. So the correct answer is, do you like traveling? Yes, absolutely. Do you like traveling? Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. Right. The next one, quickly. Two more to go. They dash go in bracket go bracket close to the gym every evening. They dash go to the gym every evening. What shall be the correct answer? Quickly. What shall be the correct answer? Think it out and comment below. Do comment, because once you start making sentences, automatically you will start improving. Automatically you will improve. All right.
So let's look at the answer quickly. My friends, they go to the gym every evening, which is the correct answer. They go to the gym every evening. Okay. And the last one, he dash go in within brackets to the gym every evening. What shall be the answer for this? He dash go to the gym every evening. So comment below. What should be the correct answer? Yeah, absolutely. They go, right, Dr. Anita? Absolutely. Wonderful. Wonderful. Yeah. So he dash go to the gym every evening. So think it out quickly. Here comes the correct answer. He goes. He goes. Third person singular. Again, he, she, it, the boy, the girl, the teacher, Ram, Mohan, Sham, all third person singular number. Okay. The tree, the cat, all third person singular number. The he goes to the gym every evening. All right. So that's it for today. I believe you had clarity. What is simple present tense? Something that you do every day. Just keep this in mind. Something you do every day is simple present tense. It does not mean you are doing it now. What you are doing it now is not technically simple present tense. What you do every day or every week, or a repeated action or a habit, that is a simple present tense. Tomorrow, we will have a session on present continuous where I'll explain in details how present continuous works so that you have clarity. And while you make sentences, you don't get confused, right? So that's it for today. If you have joined us for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, do like the video. And if you have been with me till now, you learned something good, valuable, please do like the video. It encourages me to come with more sessions for all of you. I go live every day, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay. So do like the video and we'll meet tomorrow exactly at the same time at 1 o'clock. And tomorrow we will continue this series of tens so that you have complete clarity. This is probably one of the most important chapter of grammar, or in terms of English also, if you are discussing about that. So have clarity on tense. Don't get confused. If you want more clarity, go through the video one more time, 2 times, no problem, but have complete clarity. So that's it for today. It was nice having all of you here today, and we'll meet tomorrow sharp at 1 o'clock. Till then, take care. Bye-bye, and God bless all of you. Bye-bye.